Emma, Winston, John, Lily. You're probably wondering why those names are mentioned just right now. Perhaps you already have tried writing your name or your friend's name when filling up some identity papers or signing up for registration. Now imagine doing it, but this time you get cash for doing so. What if I tell you this little magic where you can actually earn $300 just by typing names like those mentioned just a while ago? Amazing, right? You may be skeptical at how easy this sounds, but this is just few of the wonderful things in making cash through this technique that not everyone knows about. By the end of the video, you will be surprised at how legit and easy it is to be able to make money through this method. No need to break a sweat and you still get that wallet bursting all the time. Welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to earn money online in the most convenient way possible. This is Money Empire. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our videos would help you earn money in the most convenient way possible, so make sure you stay tuned. Typing names to earn sounds too good to be true, but simple things like these really exist as more and more companies and brands are seeking for employees that will help them work at a faster pace. Since the business industry is continuously evolving and turning more competent. The best thing about this is you don't need a high level of technical skills. You can just do this on your phone or your computer. And on top of that, you can do this for free. This is ideal for people who want to have an extra income on their free time or are looking for jobs that will help them pay their bills. If you're one of those people who wants to keep their wallet burping, then fear not, because Money Empire is here to guide you. Let's go straight into the video. To start, we want you to go to the website talentdesire.com. Upon doing so, you can see the large words that says, "Your dream career starts now." It says right here, you can do it without investing a dime. How great is that? So how does it work? If you scroll right here, you can read that you can select a job from home and apply for free from all over the world. Yes, you heard that right. This is available in countries like the Philippines, United States, Saudi Arabia, and many more. It's available all over the world. There are a lot of choices here, and there is an online tutoring job, medical transcription jobs, online proofreading jobs, but today we are going to focus on the online typing jobs as this is the most convenient and accessible job for everyone. Now, all you have to do is click on this online typing job and you will be directed to the instructions. Listen very carefully as the steps are quite confusing. You may rewatch this video for clarifications. As you can see, you can earn $13,000 to $27,000 annually and expect a minimum of $1,125 monthly just for typing names. Right here, we have the pay rates. For beginners, we have $0.010, intermediate, $0.012, professional, $0.015, and experts at $0.020 per word. So, let's say you acquired a project and you were able to type 300 names in a document. That will be considered one page, and boom! $20 for one project of just typing names. What's so fascinating about this is it is unlimited. You can keep accepting projects and earning up to more than $300. Let's say you work 6 hours every day and were able to make 20 pages of 300 names, and $400 is looking good. I know what you might think. I wish I was typing expert to acquire the highest pay. Worry not, because we got your back. You can provide a certificate of expertise with this website that I'm going to tell you. Despite being a beginner, you can earn like an expert with this strategy. As they say, study smarter, not harder. We want you to pay attention so that you may get the best of your technique and avoid wasting your time from starting all over again. You have to go to ratatype.com. You will be directed here where it says Typing Test. Remember, you can also do this with your phone or your computer. All you have to do is click on the button Take Free Typing Test and click Start Typing Now. You will be given this paragraph which you have to type. Once you start typing, you can see here at the side is the speed of your typing, which is in words per minute, as well as the accuracy of your typing. Whether you misspelled anything from the paragraph given, you have to be careful with what you type, because going back to the website, you can see that Talent Desire requires you to have an accuracy of between 98% to 99.99%. So, you might be wondering, what is this typing test for? Going back to ratatype.com, you can see that this website provides you a free certificate once you have completed the writing test, where your writing speed and accuracy will be shown. If you have this certificate, you can take the position of typing expert and increase your income. This will provide you credentials, thus increasing your chances of getting projects and boosting your money. Remember, our goal here is a minimum of $300 every day. Imagine being a beginner or having no experience in typing jobs, yet you can get an expert's pay rate with the help of the certificate that you will acquire. If you want to earn much, this is a must. Don't worry though, if it happens that you have a lower accuracy and speed, you can always take this test once again for free. Once you're already satisfied with your results, click on Get My Typing Certificate and you can choose to log in with your Google or Facebook. If you sign up with your email, all you have to do is provide your name, email address, and password. Click on the box of Terms of Use and Privacy Policy, then click on the button Sign Up. Once you've finished, a welcome sign will pop up, which you can simply close. You will be directed to your dashboard where you can see your record. Upon scrolling down, you will be able to see your certificates. All you have to do is click on the certificate and here you can see a signature and a number above. You can also see your name here. This proves the certificate's legitimacy, which is very useful, especially with Talent Desire, where you can definitely increase your income. Once you scroll down, you can choose to improve your score if you still want to increase your capabilities, or save it by clicking on the print button where you will save it as a PDF file. Now, here comes the exciting part. We're getting steps closer to a boosted income. Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. Your suggestions and recommendations would also be greatly appreciated. Now, going back to the online typing jobs portion of the Talent Desire website. What you're going to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Apply Now button. Once you do, you will be directed here. Scroll down a little bit and you can see the word Step 1, Select an Application Form. You have to click on the Select an Application Form that's in red font. You will then be directed here that says Online Application Form for Work at Home Jobs. Click on the word Fill in your details and work with us, which is also in red font. Now, you will be asked to give your personal information, but before that, you would have to check the Accept box for the privacy policy. Below that, you need to fill in your name, email, contact number, country, and zip code. You will also be asked about your preferred job title. Now, listen carefully. What you will be putting here should be Professional Data Entry Specialist. This will help you get more opportunities and greater income. You will also choose what time is best for you. The best option for this one is all day, so that employers may reach out to you anytime, giving you more projects. As you can see, payment can be claimed through various methods like PayPal, Payoneer, and etc. You also have to provide your professional status. You just have to choose Self-Employed. Once you are done, you just have to confirm that you have read and accept the above statement. For your signature, you just have to type your name. Lastly, click on the CAPTCHA, I am not a robot, and submit. Easy, right? That is all you have to do. Once you received an email that you have been hired, you can start accepting your name, typing jobs. Hoping for your success. And there you have it. That is it for today's video. We hope this has been a helpful tip for everyone out there looking for convenient and hassle-free ways to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you will be updated every time we upload. This will definitely not be the last time we help you earn money in the easiest way possible. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so you can stay tuned on our next video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this video is to you. See you in the next one!